How you doing, and in this video I will show you some date and time settings in Realme C25s. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to set date or time in Realme C25s, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first of all just go to settings and then tap on date and time settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.